Hi, we're here with Felicia Newman at Three Dog Farm in Lubec, Maine on a kind of a rainy day, but your crops are happy.
I'm very excited. We've been a little shy on rain, so
Yeah.
I'm tickled pink.
Great.
No pun intended.
We take puns.
Yeah.
So just going to ask you some questions about Bar Harbor. First of all, how's it made so that it works well for people who are growing containers or window boxes?
So we have, like all of our soils, it's approved for organic growers, and it's a compost-based blend of soil.
Okay.
And in this particular product, it's really important because it's for container gardens or like for transplants and stuff. You want to balance the moisture retention and porosity with the perlite, the little white flecks in there.
Yeah, so you just don't want to have a situation where your plants are getting too much water and their roots are going to drown, right?
Exactly. Most plants don't want to sit in water.
Yeah. And this one drains well.
It does.
And do you use it yourself?
Yes, I use a lot of Bar Harbor. I do a lot of transplants out into the garden and use that. Anything that's going to sit in a cell for a length of time, I'll use this product.
And it has some food value to it already, right, that you put in?
Yep, some comes with the compost, and then we have kelp and also dehydrated hemp manure.
Great. So Bar Harbor Blend, it's available in 8-quart, 16-quart, 1 cubic foot, and a large 2 cubic foot bag if you're doing a lot of containers. And you can get it at your local independent retailer.